There's 2 more.
Oh, I got 2 of them. Get the 3rd, please.
Coming. There's claymores up here. Watch out, Trevor. Team wipe.
I run 2 of them over. Oh, can you make it into the... Oh. A few seconds late.
I got a gas mask.
Where'd that car go? I guess it rolled in there.
Mm-hmm.
You're insane, Jordan.
Oh, it broke. I'm stupid. I'm retarded. I'm fucking retarded. No! Damn it.
Oh.
Oh,
Get the armor.
that was heart attack inducing.
I need to use it.
Jordan, use it. Okay, nice.
Okay, where's the next one? Andy.
That's probably it. Let's see. Nevermind.
Oh, there's one more.
Enemy team is tracking your position.
Great.
Poop.
Great time to be hunted.
Trevor, you want some of my cash in case I die?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Come back and grab it. That might not be enough.
Can't get over this
Here.
fucking rock, dude.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Okay, I got it. There you go.
Thank you.
Got gas moving in.
To the
Grab me
rocks.
back
This
and
game.
get 2 self-revives.
You ping it again, Andy?
Squad right there. Another squad.
So horrible.
Gas is moving.
Nice.
Should have been a headshot. Oh,
Just stay back here and we're good.
Yeah, I'll just hide and let them fight it out. Fuck the res.
Yeah, the
Y'all's
res.
threat is 2 right now.
Watch back here.
Gas is inbound.
someone's aiming from the left.
Oh fuck! They just saw me from the right. Damn it!
Watch this.
God, how did they see me?
I'm not up, soldier. Pro shot.
Oh! I can't even see him. Watch this. God damn it, dude. I have people everywhere.
Oh my god!
I'm up, soldier.
That gas mask though.
That's a baton pass, baby.
Oh.
I'm for sure staying up in the sky as long as I can.
Yeah.
Fucked, yeah.
Yeah, just let him fight it out. Oh my god, that was clutch, dude.
Why? Oh, I got another gas mask.
Oh, he's right there! There's another one up top! Oh crap! Oh dear lord.
2 guns trained at that door from different floors.
Oh,
Come on.
fuck.
Oh, it's moving back. 2
Watch
people
me.
in my building, Andy.
Asher, get off it.
He feels the energy.
This is really funny to watch. From Andy's
Look at my
perspective.
golden toed boots.
Hell yeah. Astro.
What, buddy?
Oh, they're all gonna die. Oh.
Oh, that was fucking close.
I don't think any of them are in the gas right there in the circle. You might win.
Oh, there's a squad
I
right
see him, I
there.
see him.
Yeah.
Shit.
There's two
Got
other.
this,
There's 2
bro.
people left. There's 2 people left. There's 1 person left, dude. If you fucking kill him with a pistol, dude. Yes, I cannot believe we won. That was insane, dude. Oh my god.
I had a pistol, bro. I had a pistol, bro. I had a pistol, bro.